Meaning of first-class cricket.
First-class cricket.
First-class cricket.
First-class cricket.
First-class cricket. First-class cricket is the highest level of domestic cricket competitions around the world. It is a form of cricket played between teams and consists of matches that are of at least 3 or more days in duration. The players who participate in first-class cricket are considered to be professionals. The format is used in international cricket, as well as domestic cricket in countries such as Australia, England, India, Pakistan, South Africa, Sri Lanka, and the West Indies. First-class cricket is an important step towards playing at the highest level and representing one's country in Test cricket.